Well, the answer to this is very simple. The answer is it depends. Let's get more in detail into exactly what it depends on. It depends on, to start with, a couple things: yourself or the person or persons that'll be driving the vehicle. Then it brings in the type of vehicle. All right, so let's start with the person driving the car. How's your claims history? What about accidents? What about violations? What about tickets? If you're free and clear of any of those, obviously you're going to be entitled to a much better rate and fitted in a much more preferred tier than someone who has had a history with claims, violations, accidents, and so forth. What about your credit score? Insurance companies rely heavily on credit score as a part of the way to determine your insurance score. The better your insurance score, the better your driving record, the better your rate's going to be. Now let's talk about the vehicle. You may have a perfect insurance score. You may have a phenomenal driving history. Everyone in your household may have a phenomenal driving history. But what kind of vehicle are we driving? Obviously, your more luxury vehicles are going to entitle a higher rate because of what it costs to replace or repair those cars. What about the performance of the car? If it's a high performance vehicle, it's going to carry higher liability risk because of damage that could be done to not just yourself, but to others. So there's going to be a higher rate involved in that. What about theft rate? Things you may not even have thought of, but insurance companies and their actuaries have to go through all the data to determine what the rate that they can safely insure that for, so they know that they're able to handle the claim properly, is the rate that they arrive at that they can offer you for the person and persons driving the car and the type of vehicle that it is. If we can help any more, or anything you'd like to see an actual price on, or even more information about a specific vehicle or driving history, please let our agency know.